So guys, the beginning of this video for some reason was speeded up, and I have no idea why. I don't know why, but it happened. So what I'm actually saying in that fast motion little portion of the video there is how to replace a blown headlight in your Chevy Equinox. Sorry guys, I have no idea why it was in fast motion when I started it. I had my GoPro, and for some reason when I press record, it wanted to be in fast motion. Don't know why that is. Anyway guys, check out this video on how to replace a blown headlight in your Chevy Equinox. Thanks for watching. Chevy Equinox. This particular one is 2013, but I think it's the same for most all Equinoxes right up through. Now I know some of you guys are going to say, oh, you got to take off the bumper because that's what you got to do with the Chevy Malibu up till they changed their body style in, I'm going to say 11, 12 or whatever it was they changed their body style. I think 12 for the next model to the 13. But this Chevy Equinox and my other one, which is a 2011, it's all the same scenario. So it's not as simple as just popping these out and unbolting it and pulling out the headlight. And you don't have to take off the bumper, you don't even have to take a bolt out of the bumper, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to do that. But first, let's do a little bit of maintenance. Let's just check the oil, see how all that is. Well, dip me in chocolate and cover me in sprinkles. She's full. Huh. Isn't that a funny thing? Let's check in here and see how much antifreeze I got in it. That one actually looks a little bit low. Might have to add some in that. I don't really care about the windshield wash. No more salt on the road. Let's check the brake fluid. Look at that. Again, dip me in chocolate and cover me in sprinkles. It's full. So that looks pretty good. Let's see if there's any base compression. Let's see if the motor's on its way out. No, look at that guys. It's completely dry inside. So engine's still working. That's good. It's always a good thing when the engine works because forward, backwards and all that stuff. And start pushing these cars because they're heavy, so you do need an engine to get them moving, forward or reverse, whichever you prefer. And now if you want to be driving around in reverse, that's up to you guys. I prefer driving in forward. It's easier on the neck. Okay, easier on the neck. So don't be driving them in reverse all the time, only when you got to go back. But you know, life's all about moving forward, and we don't want to be going back on things. We don't want to be doing none of that. So let's take a walk around it. Tires, they're on it. Brakes, they're there. Right where I left them too. That's right where I left them, right on the tires. Again, tires are on. Brakes are there. I can see it. My top pipes are there. That's good because, you know, you wouldn't want them falling off and getting caught up in traffic. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, guys. Right there. Car seems to be pretty good, guys. Seems to be pretty good. So before I get into the headlights, now guys, don't be getting upset with me now because, you know, I'm trying to pay for all this stuff I'm doing around here. Okay, I'm trying to pay for all these things. Not that. That's not mine. It's not mine. Not. But guys, cut me some slack on this next portion of the video because, you know, I'm trying to make a couple bucks here to keep doing these videos. And to do these videos, you need to buy things and keep buying parts for these cars. You need a lot of money. And the 65. So I'm gonna just transfer you over to a little video right now. Guys, you see the work I put into that little little montage there of the merch? You know, you can go and pick something up. Me, I kind of like the shirts and the sandals. That's my thing. I actually have some shirts coming now for myself, but it just takes a while to get here, and some sandals and a hoodie and blah 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 blah. I got something, most of everything coming. But you know, you guys can feel free to go in and pick up some merch. It only helps me out on my channel. I don't make very much off that. I might make a couple bucks off each item. Other than that, I don't really make anything off of them. But I really appreciate it if you do go in and pick some up. Okay, so back to the headlight. Now guys, my headlight is not blown, okay? It's not, trust me. My high beam's working, my low beam's working, everything's working. But I'm gonna show you guys what you do. So what you do is, you don't touch this at all. Never, never, don't touch it. Don't touch this. Definitely don't touch your bumper, you don't need to. The way you change the headlight is right here, guys. You see this big thing, this big circly thing right here? You take out this screw with a Phillips screwdriver, and then you untwist this one. Then you can insert your hand right up in it, take out the bulb, the wire, let it come out through this hole, and that's how you get your headlight bulb out and change it. Very simple. You don't even have to open the hood for that one, guys. You see how nice and tidy and neat that is? Look at all the mess I got up here. The mess in here. Okay, we'll get this one. We'll get the Torx that fits. You see, guys, I'm doing this for you guys. I don't need to change my headlight, but I'm doing this for you guys. And gals. Guys and girls, okay? I'm all for women's rights. So guys and girls. Okay, so I'm gonna say it's this one. Let me see if I'm right. Huh, well, I'm wrong. See if it's this one. It's that one, guys. Guys, it's that one. Okay. One-handed. Woo. Apparently I have to Diet Pepsi. So you just loosen, it's just a screw, guys, and it's a Torx. I know a lot of you won't have Torx, but that's unfortunate. You think they would have put like a Phillips in it or something. When you get it to the point, you just take this one off. You can screw it with your hands. See, there he is. I just dropped it. Lay it right there. Now, guys, now that you got that screw out, you can twist this one off. As you can see, mine fell out. See, that's all it is. And now you have a big hole up inside. And now you can put your hands up here anywhere. Now, guys, I can't see. I'm just feeling around here, okay? You know, sometimes you just got to feel around if you can't find it. Okay, so guys, now that you got this piece out like that, right? And you got that big hole right here. It's a big hole, guys. Sorry, but it is a big hole. It's not a small hole, it's a big hole. So, you know, it's a lot of free room in this hole. So then you got to unscrew this piece right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it's kind of a nuisance sometimes. And not sure if you guys are seeing this, but... Okay, so guys, you see this round piece right here? Your round piece that's on the headlight, you just unscrew it like that, pull it off. This is the cup protecting everything inside. Now, as you can see, you can put your hand right up inside and you can pull out your bulb. I'm not going to pull my bulb out, you just twist it and pull it out, and then you got it. And you just tighten it up, and he's there. And then you take this piece back here, and sometimes this is a little bit tactical, but you'll get it. See, it's actually, oh, but you had to put it so the screw lines up. So that's this way here. And then you get your screw and you put your screw back in. And then you get your Torx bit. And you screw it in with your hands until you can't no more because it has to be tight. Then you connect your ratchet, put it in tighten, and just tighten it up. And there we go. See guys, it's a done deal. And then you put away your tools. And then you get your piece that blew away that stops everything from falling out. You put that back in the right way and you close it up. And guess what guys? It's done. So guys, let's recap, okay? No, no. No, no. No, no. Technically, bonnet, no, no. Cut your wheels in. Everything is up there. Take this one with your Torx bit, unscrew. Then you unscrew the cap, which you saw earlier. Then you can get your bub. And that's how you do it. You don't even have to lift the hood. So guys, I hope that helped you out. If you ever blow a headlight bulb on one of these thingies, this thing here, and you can feel free to give me a like and a subscribe. It's hard twisting my hand this way. You also can become a member to get special perks, see up and coming videos before I even put them on YouTube, to see pictures, announcements. And just because you saw that cool little video I did for my merch, you know, you can go in there and buy yourself a shirt or a hoodie or something. Maybe a pair of sandals to put on your feet. Look guys, it's getting warm here now. I need sandals on my feet. And what better than Southside Boy Style sandals? So thanks guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Southside Boy Styles out.
Hellcat.